Hello, I'm sat in my actually rather empty looking garage. Now, more on that in another video. This time, I want to talk to you about what could be, this isn't a bike of mine, it's actually a bike of my dad's, and I think this could actually be a really good green lane bike, but also ABR festival bike, because you want a bike that can do the trails quite nicely, but also get you there with your luggage on the back and not sort of bogged down or be a bit of a slog to ride. So, let's have a look. It's a 1995 Yamaha TT600 Belgarda, so it's Italian frame, Italian built, but Japanese engine from Yamaha, Japanese drivetrain, all of that stuff. It's in pretty good nick. It wants the usual kind of servicey stuff. You know, you go through, check the brakes, check the oil and all that sort of business, replace where necessary, but it's all in pretty good working order. So let's have a quick look at a cold start. All right, cold start, 1995. Yamaha TT600 Belgarda. So exhausts are nice and cold, no sizzling there. Right, let's give it a quick fire up and see how it goes. Got the fuel on, get my leg over, and need a bit of choke. Let the fuel get through into the carbs and we'll see how it runs as I look directly into the sun. Right, I think we're in neutral. Yep, all good. Perfect. So it's not been run for a while, probably wants a good run to be honest. Once you get nice and warm, it's brilliant. It will start every single time, just wants a little bit of fiddling with the choke, which I think over time, a bit more running, bit of fresh fuel through it, I'll be a lot happier. Right, off the choke now. All seems nice and happy. Great. So yeah, as you can see, it starts up pretty eagerly. The choke wants a little bit of fiddling around with. Like I say, it's not run really much at all in the last year. So you fiddle around with the choke a little bit. Once you're off the choke, idles like an absolute dream and really goes like sting. As you can see in a moment, we're going to take it on the road, and once you get it warmed up, once it's running, it actually storms along. It's absolutely fantastic. Alright, go on in, see what it'll do.
Watch out for that. Watch out for potholes.
Yeah, always on the right bike for it. So yeah, this is it's going nicely. This is, I'll tell you what, it's very eager to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, torque all the way through the rev range.
Yeah.
It's a great little bike, really.
Yeah. I'll turn left here.
Okay, no.
Watch this lot. I'm going a little bit further.
Yes, blimey. So what year is this then? It's 1996, is it, or 95?
95.
95, yeah. So it's newer than my new 750. Kilometre an hour speedo, because they're only European market these, weren't they?
Yeah,
but,
yeah.
You're right, big upside down forks, pretty hefty.
Yeah.
It's good bit of bounce to them. Oh, good. But now I mean, but the torque, I'm just going to whiz past you now on your right. It goes like stink, doesn't it?
It's done half, yeah.
Yeah. So pretty chuffed with that.
Oh, my bike wet.
Not your new bike. Quite a, you know, it's a longer legged bike than your 250, and you know, you'd rather pick that up than this out of the mud or the sand.
Yeah.
But I've got to say, I mean, compared to my Yamaha and definitely the BMW, this is not a heavy bike at all, really. Pretty good.
No. No.
One of the old humpback bridge now. Aha. It shifts, this does. great. Shift's alright. Suspension's good. All pretty nimble. Good bike for a ABR festival or whatever, this, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a weird twin carb system on this, isn't it? You know, 2 carbs, 2 exhausts, 1 cylinder.
Yeah.
It's a bit strange, but that just gives you a bit more oomph when you're wide open throttle, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But no, pretty good.
It sounds like it doesn't look bad.
No, sounds pretty good. Do you want to overtake and
Yeah.
go around once we're around this bend? Oh, like a sewing machine, that, isn't it?
Sure is.
The 600, you know, considering the age, it's not necessarily cosmetically the best.
Yeah.
But, you know, that's one of the things that, just as a green lane bike or something like that, yeah, this is great. Flies along. Rides very, very well. Very nicely. No whole ball rattles or knocks or anything like that. Pulls, blimey, really pulls very well. It's this dual carb setup. Really, really nice. Yeah, it's brilliant. I mean, the engine braking. Oh, so much engine braking. So lots of engine braking, lots of control over the, that's flooded. Over the braking without having to start putting your hands on levers or feet on levers. Very, very nice. Up to 60, dead easy, dead easy. Absolutely great. I don't know where I'm going, to be honest, but no, this is great. It's alright, this. Soaked at the bumps very nicely. Very smooth. Ooh, that was fun. Ooh, got a little drift then. Got the back wheel spinning a bit. Well, I'll wrap up the video, I suppose, really, and just say, you know, if you're interested in a good, solid running 600 Yamaha for a bit of green lanes, a bit of longer distance stuff,
Yeah, brilliant.
could be the bike for you. Yeah, it's a good bit of fun, this. Like I say, honestly, if I had a massive garage, loads of space and a load of good green lanes around, I thought I want something that's not so precious that I can just take on a bit of a blast.
Yeah.
This would be great.
Yeah.
But as it is, I've got no space, I'm afraid, so I have to sell it to someone else. Righto, I'll end it there. This Yamaha could be a really good green lane ABR festival bike for you. So if you're interested, do stay tuned. It'll probably be on eBay or something like that, but I'll let you know. Cheers, and thank you for watching.